Bollywood is the second biggest film industry in the world after Hollywood. Several Indian actresses have earned their place in the film industry with their charming beauty and right acting skills. In this post based on current popularity, here are the top 10 most beautiful actresses in Bollywood. Number 10. Sara Ali Khan. Sara Ali Khan was born on 12 August 1993 and is the daughter of rich actor Saif Ali Khan and stepdaughter of Kareena Kapoor Khan. With her forthcoming movie Coolie No. 1 in 2020, she is all set to enter among the mainstream league of Bollywood industry. Her first press release was in a magazine named Hello along with her mother, one an obese lady. During her college days when she weighed 96 kilos, she is now a fit and fabulous actress with a huge social media followers. Kriti Sanon. Kriti Sanon is a professional model and cutest actress in Indian cinema. She started her career as a South Indian actress in Sukumars. Kriti Sanon's first film was a romantic action film Heropanti, in which Kriti won the Best Female Debut Film Award. My favorite film of hers is Bareli Ki Barfi with Ayushmann Khurrana and Rajkumar Rao. Her latest 2019 offerings include Luka Chuppi, Houseful 4 and Panipat. Dilwale is one of the 2015 blockbuster films as she delivered her best performance to date. Number 8. Shraddha Kapoor. Shraddha Kapoor, daughter of iconic actor Shakti Kapoor, is one of the Bollywood's most popular actresses in 2020. She made her debut in the Indian film industry with movie Teen Patti alongside Amitabh Bachchan, R. Madhavan and Ben Kingsley. In 2013, she made her blockbuster debut in the romantic film Aashiqui 2. We can also admire the actress for her roles in Haider and Ek Villain and ABCD 2 in 2015 are her biggest commercial successes. Her breakthrough roles in many genres like romantic in Aashiqui 2, serious in Haider, light in Love Ka The End, criminal role in Hasina Parkar and her latest energetic sensation Sweet Dancer 3D in 2020. Number 7. Kangana Ranaut. It's been over a decade since Kangana Ranaut has entered Bollywood graciously, and in a year since her curly hairs have not been subjected to any beauty norm. Her hairs could not find a fixed hairstyle that they could work easily. Her experiments are ranging from curvy waves to her current cropped bob. Whether on the red carpet or at the box office, this self-made A-lister naturally wins. Kangana Ranaut was born in Himachal district in Mandi on March 23, 1987. She is also one of the highest paid actresses in Bollywood. These days we well know Kangana to have publicly expressed her honest views. Number 6. Anushka Sharma. Anushka is one of the most beautiful heroines of Bollywood and wife of one of the best cricketers Virat Kohli. Speaking about her looks, she always had soft and perfect skin and we can only love her as one of the most beautiful women ever. The sweet and bubbling actress has always been amazing, but her beauty has always won hearts and won the biggest number of fans. Her rosy complexion and flawless skin free from blemish make us red every time we watch her. Number 5. Kiara Advani. If there's a single actress who has been in the news recently, it's Kiara Advani for her impressive performance in Kabir Singh. She now has become a household name as Preeti, winning many hearts throughout India. Following her debut in 2014, this 27 years old talented actress made her appearance both in Hindi and Telugu cinema. Advani also worked as a TV serial actress starring as Megha in Netflix drama series. Known for her minimalist beauty approach, Advani glowed from inside out, making her a Bollywood actress. Kiara Advani is 5'5" high, weighs 55 kg and has 33-26-33 proportions. She is so fit that many women are keen to know her secret. She has also God-gifted beauty and regularly works out her body. She tells her way of life is fitness and her craze for athletics. Number 4. Parineeti Chopra. The youngest and one of the most charismatic actress, Parineeti Chopra is working up for 5 years in Bollywood. Her first movie, Ladies vs. Ricky Bahel, was a box office success, making this diva enter into the club of most successful girls in the Bollywood. Her cousin sister, Priyanka Chopra Jonas, is among mainstream Bollywood beauties now, who have won Femina Miss India and Miss World titles. Parineeti received many awards and nominations, including the National Film Award and Filmfare. In Shahzade, Shudh Desi Romance and Hasi To Phasi, Dawat-e-Ishq and Kill Dil, she played as lead actresses. Parineeti reflects her cheerful personality in her silver screen roles. If you look closer and after a similar bustling vein with pop of colors, she finds her makeup palette. Since 2016, she has been suffering from a career setback and is now hoping to resume the pause, with her upcoming biopic film Sanya set to be released in 2020. Number 3. Alia Bhatt. Alia Bhatt is currently one of the youngest and best actresses in Bollywood. Born in the Bhatt family on 15 March 1993. She is the daughter of film producer Mahesh Bhatt and Soni Razdan. Alia received 1 Filmfare and 2 awards in Stardust. She made her debut in Student of the Year and has played in many blockbuster films such as Urta Punjab Highway, Badrinath Ki Dulhania, Gully Boy and Dear Zindagi. You wouldn't be far from saying that Bollywood has done right for choosing Alia Bhatt with her live-wiring character, including all these expressive features. Being born into the top family, Bhatt claims to have her big screen success, relentlessly delivering back-to-back blockbuster movies in the years. Number 2. Disha Patani. She is one of the beautiful stars and we can never get enough photos of her from Instagram. Well, we are talking about none other than beautiful Bollywood actress Disha Patani, featured in Cadbury Dairy Milk ad in 2015. Disha Patani grabbed the hearts of many people, which made her soon comes up with film. She was born in Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh and graduated from Amity University, Lucknow, and Bachelor of Computer Science and Engineering. She is the only Indian chosen as Calvin Klein's brand ambassador. It is therefore not surprising that she has become a favorite among masses in a short time, since she walked across the ramp more times throughout the latest fashion weeks. Number 1. Deepika Padukone. Deepika Padukone, the beauty queen, is the most beautiful actress in Bollywood in 2020. Often described as the dream girl of today's era, she earned the moniker in her debut film Om Shanti Om after debuting the character of Shanti Priya. Last year, she was the first woman to list on Forbes India 100 celebrity list in the top 5. She was ahead of not just saying who is at number 8, but Amitabh Bachchan, Amir Khan, Sachin Tendulkar and MS Dhoni as the actress earned Rs 112.8 crore that year. On 5 January 1986, she was born to badminton player Prakash Padukone. Her exceptional acting skills combined with out-of-this-world beauty sometimes made Deepika overshadow her male co-actors, including her husband. Deepika Padukone has a wax figurine of herself at Madame Tussauds, London.